Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm AJ.
And I'm Vanessa.
And today we are doing another Eat With Me! Woo! What are we eating today, Vanessa?
School lunch.
Today we have another school lunch Eat With Me. So for today's lunch we have a French bread pizza, chicken nuggets,
carrots.
We also got some pretzel goldfish, whole grain pretzel goldfish.
A cookie, an orange,
and a chocolate milk.
oh.
So we have a lot of stuff to eat today.
Yeah.
I'm very excited to eat all of it. So let's dive in. Should we try the chicken nugget first?
I guess
I'm
so.
dying to try the chicken nugget.
I need to put ketchup.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Cheers.
Chicken nugget cheer. A chicken nugget.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
Like a popcorn.
Yeah. These all came in like different packaging, but we warmed it up in the oven, so. I like the chicken. Crispy and juicy. Let's try the French bread.
Cheers. Cheers. Mmm.
This one's really good.
Yeah. Better than the last pizza we had.
Yeah. We had something similar to this on Tuesday.
Had some pepper flakes.
It's all very good.
Mm-hmm.
I like that they give you a lot of side dishes.
Mm-hmm. And for breakfast, we have a lot too.
Yeah.
We have waffles, applesauce, a fruit cup, a Nutribar.
Mm-hmm. If you guys didn't see the last school lunch video we did, basically our school is doing a drive-through lunch service where you can get lunch for today and breakfast for tomorrow for free.
Mm-hmm. This is definitely my favorite day so far.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna try some of the goldfish pretzels.
I'll do the same.
Very good.
Yeah, it just tastes like pretzels.
Yeah. Goldfish is one of my favorite snacks.
Mm-hmm.
Any kind of goldfish.
Have you tried these before?
Yeah.
I feel like this lunch was made for you.
Oh yes.
What? One bite? Do you want pepper flakes for your pizza?
No, thank you.
Look.
Oh. You should have seen me this morning.
Yikes. It's okay.
Good.
I have something new to do over this break.
What is something new?
Yeah, I have something new.
What is that?
Watch Escape the Night.
Escape the Night.
It's a show by a YouTuber, Joy Graceffa. We just escape.
Is it like a mystery?
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
It tastes familiar.
Yeah.
I've had this cookie before.
Oh, really?
Mm. I tried the pretzel and the ketchup. It's good.
No. If you guys are curious, we will start distance learning on the 16th.
So soon. Also, my birthday is coming up. April 20.
I think it was last week, we went to the school to rent some Chromebooks. It was a drive-through service, just like the food.
I wonder how it'll work.
Yeah. Have you been checking your emails?
Yeah.
Oh.
Have you? I'm actually getting very full from this lunch.
We haven't even eaten any of the orange yet.
Yeah. I actually finished drinking before you, but I wanted to trick you. If you want, we could just share one.
Okay.
Maybe half it.
Okay. I want to save this one later as a snack.
Yeah. Oh, I got it.
It's cold. I saw like
Air? Or like the cold come out of it? Yeah. I did not see that. Excuse me. I'm getting there.
okay.
Oh, yes. I did it. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. The orange had a baby.
Cute. Good?
Yeah. Sweet.
Oh yeah, this is good.
Good thing we have another one for later.
Yeah. Let's try the cookie. You can have this one.
Okay.
Just want to make sure we try everything here. Oh.
You can try it. It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
Okay, almost done here.
Mm-hmm. Is this goldfish?
I have two right here.
Oh, I have a lot more.
Last chicken nugget.
Whew.
I'm getting full.
Yeah. I think I got some orange on my pizza.
That's weird. Okay.
Oh, that was good.
Should we end the video now?
Yes.
That was a 10 out of 10. Would eat again. I liked everything here.
Mm-hmm.
We still have a few extra stuff for later for snacks, so that's pretty good. So that is the end of our Eat With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and
Don't forget to hit the bell so you can get notified whenever we post.
thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Bye.